Why do I snore? Snoring is a common condition that can affect anyone. Snoring is the result of the relaxation of the uvula and soft palate. These tissues can relax enough to partially block the airways, resulting in irregular airflow and vibrations. You snore when the flow of air, as you breathe, makes the tissues in the back of your throat vibrate. Those who have enlarged tonsils or excess weight around the neck are more prone to snoring. Check other related videos, as well as description below for more information.